from Iceland. Here I'm starting my hike to the volcano by Trail C. That's how I call it. It's a new trail. I have been walking here many times, and it's very windy today, as always. Super windy, crazy. So this is the start of Trail C, unofficial parking lot. You see, next to the ocean. And there was American men just came to me, and they are with kid, and they are going to the lava here to not high. I told them this is the best place for children, I guess, because it's flat here. It's easy to get to the lava. It's only 20 minutes walk. So we are going first to Not High Valley, and then we will check the mountains. So talk to you later. That is rescue teams. They are driving here. You see, there is lots of smoke here all around, but smoke is from the burning of grass and moss. The American couple with the child, they turned it away. They got scared of the smoke. So they were like 200 meters away from lava, and they just turned it away. But it's okay. The smokes are not good for children, I guess. He went back. I don't know why he was coming here. I'm going to check now the wall here. There is constructing a wall. I want to see what is going on there.